Hello everybody, thank you for joining me and welcome to this video which is about the full moon which takes place in the Purva Asadha nakshatra Sagittarius on the 3rd of July. As this nakshatra is ruled by Venus, we need to check the placement of Venus in the skies. Venus is in the gandanta zone on the 5th and 6th of July. And you need to remember that Venus retrograde starts on the 23rd of July and ends on the 4th of September. I have already made a video about Venus retrograde. You can check it out to have a better idea. The interaction between Venus and Uranus on the day of the full moon suggests that unexpected things may take place in your relationships or financial situation. Globally speaking, abrupt changes may take place in the financial market. The interaction between Saturn and the moon suggests that you can make plans or improve some procedures in order to use your time wisely. And you can also work patiently towards your long-term projects. You will be mature and responsible to handle serious issues. The moon is in the Purva Asadha nakshatra, but in the second part of this nakshatra, which is governed by Mercury. And when we check Mercury, we see that Mercury is in the fourth pada of the Aridra nakshatra. So this indicates that your focus will be on materialistic gains, and it will be better if you change the way you think in order to look beyond restrictions and find alternative ways. The interaction between Mercury and the moon suggests that it may not be easy to find a good balance between emotional and rational thinking. Try to make your reason and emotion work together and try not to react based on your emotions and try to stay calm. Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter and Jupiter is in Aries with Rahu. This means you can get some new opportunities in your professional or private life. It depends on the placement of Aries on your natal chart. If you are wise and knowledgeable, then you can increase your chances and get more opportunities. As the Hashta nakshatra rises on Lagna, this suggests that hard work is required to get some opportunities, and you may also need to face some challenges to get good results. In health, you're prone to colds, lung problems, sciatica, pain in thighs and hips. In this video, I would like to provide you with some insights into your coming week. On the 3rd of July, on Monday, it's going to be the full moon, as I have just mentioned. But I suggest that you should use the healing energy of water. You can go for a walk by the sea or river, or you can start the day by having a cold shower, or you can go to a swimming pool. It is an auspicious day to end arguments successfully and deal with artistic or occult studies. On Tuesday, the 4th of July, keep your routine between 8:56 a.m. and 11:56 a.m. As of the noon, it's an auspicious day to introduce a new project, deal with business and legal affairs, organize an event, or deal with authority, artistic ventures, or get consultancy with counselors or astrologers. It's a career-oriented day. Even if you aren't working, keep yourself busy on Tuesday. You can keep yourself busy with household chores or other activities. On Wednesday, the 5th, Venus is in the gandanta zone. Now, when Venus is in the gandanta zone, you should avoid making big changes in your physical appearance, such as changing the color of your hair or changing your hairstyle or getting a present tattoo. You should also refrain from any cosmetic and aesthetic changes. You should avoid relationship commitments, and you should also be careful about financial undertakings. Avoid making a big shopping on Wednesday. This energy is also valid on Thursday the 6th, because Venus is changing her sign, and Venus enters Leo on the 6th of July on Thursday, so you should be careful about these energies on Thursday too. And on Thursday the 6th, the interaction between the moon and Mars suggests that the immune system may overreact and allergic reactions may start. So if you already suffer from allergy, then you need to handle this carefully on Thursday. And keep your routine between 8:50 a.m. and 12:50 p.m. It's an auspicious day for traveling, healing activities, as well as dealing with technical issues. And activities related to music, dance, and astrology are also recommended. On Friday the 7th, you can help people in need. You need to be careful what you say on this day, as they may come true. You can do some private spiritual practices, meditation, or say some prayers. You can do some activities related to healthcare. It's an auspicious day to deal with scientific and also technological issues. You can also socialize effectively on Friday. The interaction between Mercury and Uranus suggests that you can start a project if you have an original idea, or if you are already working on an original project, you can finish it. And this energy is not only active on Friday, but this energy starts on Friday, and you can benefit from this energy for a week. If you can also find alternative solutions to problems. And on Saturday the 8th, you should keep your routine between 10:05 a.m. in the morning until 2:35 in the afternoon. You should be careful the way you communicate, because Mercury is changing its sign. So if you need to travel, you should make sure that you have planned your trip well. If you are traveling by plane, then please make sure that you are at the airport not 2 hours but 3 hours before the flight. If you're traveling by car, start your journey a bit before, because you may get stuck in the traffic jam, or something unexpected can take place. Try to be cautious and solution oriented on this day. Avoid making new beginnings on Saturday. And although the interaction between the moon and Mercury is good, Mercury is 0 degrees throughout the day. So this means that you should trust your guts, as your intuition will be more accurate than your rational mind. And on Sunday the 9th, you can start a new treatment. It's an auspicious day for yoga, meditation, or astrology and spirituality. Avoid dealing with mundane matters such as shopping or paying a bill until 4 o'clock. But as of 4 o'clock in the afternoon, you can deal with mundane issues. You can also make plans and find alternative solutions to your problems. I hope you will be able to benefit from these energies in the best way that you can. Hope to see you soon.